Today, we'll show you how to install the Maxhaust Active Sound System in an M4 Cabrio. Let's get started. We begin in the trunk. Here, you'll connect the A cable. The A cable is responsible for the power supply and the KN bus connection. Cable A has 4 wires. Start with the black wire. Screw the eyelet onto a bare ground point on the chassis and make sure everything is well tightened. Then, attach the fuse tap to the red wire and crimp the connector with pliers. Ensure that the wire is securely connected. Now insert the fuse tap into a free slot in the fuse box. Also, read our FAQ on power supply for more information. Route the CAN bus cable through the partition in the trunk, making sure there are no kinks or that the cable can be damaged by sharp edges. Lay the cable behind the interior trim and neatly coil up any excess cable so that everything looks clean. Connect the CAN bus cables using the 2 provided connectors at the ends of the cables. Then connect these to the vehicle's CAN bus cables. For this BMW, we connect our black and white CAN high cable to the vehicle's blue and red one. We then crimp the black and yellow CAN low onto the red cable. Next, we take the B cable. The B cable connects the bridge to the sound module and the speakers. Route the speaker cables through an existing opening near the left rear wheel arch. Remove the plastic trim on the underbody and drill a hole for the deep speaker. Secure the cross holder and install the deep speaker. Use the provided screw adhesive to ensure no screws come loose. Find a suitable location for the high speaker and mount it under the vehicle. Connect the speaker cables to the high speaker and the deep speaker. It doesn't matter which cable you use for this. Finally, go back to the trunk and connect the cables to the bridge and the sound module to complete the installation. Now you can set up the system using our Maxhaust Bridge app and enjoy the rich sound for your BMW.
Yeah, I'm steady focused on money now. I'm trying to count to 100,000. That's daily. Brady pay me. M's and M's, no Slim Shady. Make a count going so crazy. Still live it up when I'm over 80. Flying, I'm hotter than Hades. Middle fingers up to the ones when I hate me. Come with my fire, then I'm up like a drought. Everybody lying for a little bit of clout. Stay making moves like I'm trying to sell a house. That's how it be when you're raised in the South. My God.